This is the greatest day of my life! I'm the Camp Cup champ!
I was so close! I might have won if we raced backwards.
Third place isn't the best, but it's better than coming in last.
Destruction! Totally destroyed! And like that, we are cashing out on that combo chain.
Spark! Woohoo! I made a plan, stuck with it, and came out on top.
Ooh, so close! Your boy better hit the tracks, as he's got some practicing to do.
You may say third place, but I say awesome!
5Alarm proved once again that she's the real star of the show. Hats off to this incredible